Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas, Latest Designing, United States Country Style here and there. Today's video is going to be very interesting for you, in which you will be told how you can decorate your elegant luxury living room decoration ideas, latest designing, United States Country Style here and there. Apart from this, we will see what kind of art in installing in the living room and which ones can be installed, which can further enhance the decoration and beauty of your room. And this is great, nice looking luxury living room and living room sofa set decoration ideas. That is, it's great, nice looking. Show this again, very beautiful art and very beautiful designing in your favorite home, luxury living room decoration ideas and living room sofa set design. Show this again, very beautiful sofa set and white sofa set and gray, green, peach colors sofa set and wall decor decoration ideas. It is great, nice looking. That is great. Show this again, very beautiful designing of your favorite home living room decoration ideas. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel, like it and comment. Do you like the video? Do you like it? Then what kind of my comments do you like here? Why do you like the videos? And apart from this, you can tell us by commenting what kind of video you want, so that we can make that kind of video for you. I show you a picture of living room decoration ideas and living room designing in your favorite home interior and home decoration ideas, latest designing, United States country style here and there. And if you can enjoy this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas, latest designing, and like this video. And thanks for watching this video. Until next time, take care.